So I just got to the bowl for some practice, and today I'm really just going to go out there and just throw some shots. Just throw the ball. No real task or anything. I feel like I've got about an hour or so before I got to get to class. Just want to get out there and just throw the ball and get it feeling good and gain some confidence and just watch my balls do the right thing and have a good time. So just going to go out and throw some shots. So change of plans. I was going to bowl, but now I'm going to plug a ball because looking at finalizing arsenals and drilling balls and trying stuff, and that's just sometimes what you got to do. Got a little hectic today. After practice, I pretty much ran to class and then ran to the gym. It's about 7 o'clock now. That bowling ball that I decided to plug, I am going to drill now, put the holes in, and then go pick up my bowling balls from the bowling center. We're going to practice in another center tomorrow, and we found that out after I left the bowling center. So I'm going to go get those after I drill this ball, then head back, get some homework done, and call it a night. The ball that I'm doing is a alert. I am looking for a lower diff option in my bag. I've had urethane and the NU, but with urethane being out of play and trying to have a ball that matches a little bit more of some of the other balls in my teammates' bags, I'm trying to find a different option. I've got an Effector that I like a lot, but I want to see something a little bit different just for comparison purposes and just to either confirm that it is the Effector or to open the door to potentially something else. So since we got a couple days to give it a whirl, I'm going to do that, and since we're going to bowl on a couple of different surfaces over the next few days, we're going to bowl at a third center actually on Friday. So be able to get to see it on some different surfaces. The center that we bowl at hooks a ton, so being able to get it to see it in a different building is going to be super helpful. So let's go put some holes in the alert. So now I've glued the grips in the alert, grabbed the 7 balls that I'm going to take to the other center tomorrow, and now it's time to go cook some dinner. It's been a long day. It's like 8 o'clock already now, and I haven't eaten since, I don't know, 3 o'clock. So let's go get some food. Good morning, y'all. It's about a little after 9. One of the mornings that I can actually sleep in, and I don't get to do that super often. So when I am here and I can sleep in, I enjoy it here and there, and there's nothing wrong with that. Got a little small breakfast this morning, yogurt, coffee going. We're gonna get a little work done this morning, get ready for the day. I got 2 online classes and practice today, and the practice overlaps with one of the online classes. So I will be missing that online class and going back and watching the recording later this week. So we're gonna get ready for the day, get a little work done, and get after it. Oh, and add laundry to that list because I just realized that I need more clothes that are clean. So laundry's also on that list this morning. This morning, it's been about planning out some videos. I had a shoot that I was planning on doing on Friday of this week to shoot a new challenge video, and practice got moved, so trying to work out the particulars with that and getting that readjusted. Trying to get ahead on some homework for the weekend as well. Sydney made the Final Four for the NCAA Women's Bowling National Championship, and I am going to surprise her. At least I don't think that she knows. So they start Friday morning, and I will fly up there on Friday night after our practice on Friday and surprise her and be there for all day on Saturday, and then I'll fly back on Sunday. Sometimes crazy things happen in our life, and you know, as much as that doesn't seem like something that would happen in a normal week, it happens probably more than you would expect. And you know, when cool things happen, you want to be there and you want to be a part of it, and if you can get on a plane and just go somewhere, that's what we're going to do. So we're literally going to leave Friday night after practice. I'm going to land in Cleveland probably about midnight, and then fly back first thing Sunday morning. I got a lesson on Sunday afternoon before we leave on Monday for nationals. So as much as it's the week before our national championship, it's also the week of her national championship. So since I can be there and it worked out in the schedule that I actually don't have anything on Saturday that I can go, I'm going to go. That means getting homework done a little bit early. So my 2 online classes that I have today are from 11 to 4:30. I've decided to also push back my one that I have at 11 to 1:30, and then my second one is from 2 to 4:30, which I've practiced today starting at 2:30. So the great thing is that I can watch the recordings later and get the work done at another time that isn't directly in that class time. So I'm going to use that time to get ahead on that homework because I am going to be away this weekend. Schedules change, you know, with athletics sometimes, and it being literally my last week of practice before my college career is over, you got to choose your battles. And this week, the most important thing is making sure I am prepared for next week for ITCs, and that is putting a little extra work in on the lanes and making sure I get my schoolwork done, even if it is at a different time than my scheduled online class. So today, I'm going to put them in the back seat and get to them later this week, but I am using this time to get ahead on that homework, so even though I won't be in the live class, I'll watch them later this week. And I don't really feel like that's something that I mind doing. I think that's what's great about the online classes, that I have that flexibility, and because I do, I'm going to take advantage of it on a week like this, and nobody says I can't, and it's not against the rules, so that's what we're going to do. I am in the process of trying to grow out my hair. It feels really long right now. It's a lot longer than it normally is. And I feel like every day is honestly like a a trial and error with the hairstyle. I feel like I try and do one or two different things every day to kind of see what looks good and what sticks. Yeah, it's a work in progress. But yeah, I feel like it has grown really fast. So I don't know how to keep up. I feel like I'm on the verge of a haircut, but I'm trying not to cut it because I want it to grow out. So it's a constant battle back and forth, to be honest. But now let's go practice. We just wrapped up practice a little bit ago. Back at the apartment now. Got some Bowl TV on because they're bowling in New York. But now it's time to make dinner, and I got this cool opportunity to try some meals from HelloFresh. So tonight on the menu is citrus pork tacos. And I feel like this is going to be really easy because I didn't have to go to the store to get any of this. They delivered it to my door. They had a ton of options on the menu. They had like 70, 80, 90 options for me to pick from. This is gonna make it really easy because I've got everything I need and instructions, so it really can't get any easier than that. All right, moment of truth right here. Followed all the instructions, took me about 30 minutes to cook my meal. Here we go. You would think I know how to cook. That's pretty damn good.
Keyword thing.
Yeah, you would think. You would think that I made this from scratch.
You would.
You would, that's my point. You would think that I made it from scratch and that I knew what I was doing, and I don't. I probably got enough for about 2 people, and I think I'm gonna eat all of it tonight by myself because it's good. And I don't normally eat a lot. So if you want meals that are as simple as this one that I just made in 30 minutes, head over and take advantage of the brand new HelloFresh. Use my code, it's on the bottom of the screen, or you can scan the QR code for 10 free meals and breakfast for life. You can sign up today, use the link in the description below, or head over to HelloFresh.com. So give it a try. I thought this was fantastic. I absolutely loved it. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of dinner. It's Friday morning. I have a flight in approximately 9 hours, and I'm not sure if I'm getting on it yet, but we're doing some practice. And then we're shooting a video today. And then I might get on a plane. And then there's Griff.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Wildland in Jordan, his natural habitat, getting that sun in because he's not laying out in the 9 UV. Instead of putting his bowling bags in my car, this is what we're doing instead. Okay, Okay, so we wrapped up at practice and went straight to another bowling center to film a video. Filming a video that's going to come out here after ITCs. Filming a fun video with Griff, Landon, and Max, so be on the lookout for that when that one comes out. But we're going to film that, and then I'm going to the airport because I'm going to watch Sydney Bowl.
Someone gets out. Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, now you're
Pretty good.
Please!
Alright, video's over, and it is currently 5:21, and my flight leaves at 7:18, and I have to stop at my apartment that's 20 minutes away, and then go to the airport that's another 20 minutes from my apartment, and I haven't packed the thing yet. So on the bright side, I'm only going for about 36 hours, so I really just need a change of clothes and my bathroom bag. So this is a dash to my apartment, and then to the airport to get on a flight at 7:18, and it's 5:22 currently. I was able to spend the weekend in Cleveland, and unfortunately it didn't work out for them. They lost the match before the TV finals. It's part of the game, and somebody told me this weekend that it was a good movie with a bad ending, and I think that's a great way to look at it. But that's gonna wrap up my week preparing for the national championships. Got a little bit of packing left to do before we leave tomorrow. A lot of preparation on and off the lanes, and along with some other life things that being a student athlete, you gotta get done. So hope you all enjoyed this. This was a little something different than what I normally do. Let me know down below in the comments if this is something that you want to see more of, some more off the lanes type of content. And for now, that's gonna wrap this one up. This channel is all about bowling, and if you enjoy bowling content, well, this is probably the place for you. So that's gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.